I want to make sure that I'm looking good. Now, while I was meditating, I was in a conundrum of sorts. A statement came to me, an insight. Women, or should I say ladies, gratitude makes you more feminine. Your gratitude is radiance, or because gratitude is radiance, or because your gratitude is radiance. I think that's the one. Ladies, ladies, gratitude makes you more feminine. Because gratitude is your radiance. No, that's not it. Back to the drawing board. Ladies, gratitude makes you more feminine. Because your gratitude is radiance. That's gotta be it. I love it when a plan comes together. I'm over there in the incubation tank of the soul and these things come to me, but I've gotta fine tune it, chisel it, you know, cross the T, dot the I, because I'm serving the ladies. I gotta make sure that I serve them right. You know, I've been doing push-ups lately, actually, and I do that for my own health, of course, but I've also got to make sure that I do it right, because I'm serving the ladies with the definition, so to speak, the tone and the tonality, the David-esque physique, if you would, if you will, if you'd be so kind. Now, every once in a while I get a little flack from the said ladies, and they're at that point not ladies, they're more like women, really masculinized women, and they're like, how dare you tell me anything about being a woman? And I'm like, well, first of all, there's no dare involved. How dare you contradict me when I say, how dare you? And at that point, I'm like, we're not going to get in a conversation about this. Yes, we are. No, we're not. We are. We're in a conversation right now. Even you going is a conversation. And see, I know as a man that I'm going to lose. I am gonna lose, because what I've learned, and this is not a sexist remark, but over the years I've learned, once you get in an argument with a woman, you can forget it. The mere fact that you're arguing with a woman already means you lost. That, see, what you said right there is so sexist. No, it's not sexist. It is sexist. Do you want to know why? Tell me. Who's speaking right now? I'm speaking. Who is I? Listen, I know what you're going to say. Yeah, now you're already mansplaining me. You actually already know what I'm going to say. I do know what you're going to say. Okay, tell me. See, you don't know what I'm going to say. Here's what I'm going to say. No, hold a second. I remembered. Well, actually, it was going to be what I was going to say, not what you see. That's what you're doing. You're co-opting me right now. You're actually robbing me of my privilege to speak. And then you're colonizing me in the moment. That's the heteronormativity. Right there. That's the agenda of heteronormativity. Heteronormativity? What? You've never heard of heteronormativity? No, I've heard of heteronormativity. It has nothing to do with what we're talking about. What we're really talking about is every time I say something, you think it's sexist because I said it. It is sexist because you said it. No, that's sexist. No. When men talk about women and think they know something about women, that's sexist. No, it is not sexist. Yes, it's sexist because you are overextending your privilege as a male, as a white male, actually, as a white straight male, and you think that you can actually say things about my reality. This is my felt, experiential reality, and you, Mr. Cisgender, have no prerogative. Cisgender. Now you're throwing in cisgender, yes. Heteronormative cisgenderism. You know, that's enough to assassinate me with all that babbling brook of syllables. No, I do not. I categorically reject that entire taxonomical imperialism. Ooh, yeah, right? Right? I can do it too. Taxonomical imperialism. I like that. Yeah. It's my fucking privilege speaking. It's called a fucking education. Oh. Mr. Fuck You now. Yeah, Mr. Fuck You. That's more privilege. What? Cursing? Yeah. No, you know what the problem is? Every time I fucking speak, you're gonna call it privilege. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, and if I fart, it's privilege. Yep. Because you feel like you can just fart in front of me and you have no repercussions, there are no consequences. Whereas if I fart in front of you, you're gonna just say how unladylike that is. No, I probably won't. I'll probably just go like this and hold my nose while we talk. But you could say the same thing. You're like, hey, that guy's a fucking asshole. Why did he fart while we're talking? See, you can insult me too. What you don't understand is that you are one of those, it starts with a B and ends with an H, or it starts with a C and ends with a T. Okay? You're one of those women. I'm sorry, I don't mean to be, and, you know, it starts with an A and ends with an E, or starts with a D and ends with a K. I'm not one of those. I'm actually a really decent guy. I try to be sensitive. Yeah, you try to be sensitive. You are a colonialist. Are you fucking